face and stuff all over the video. So anyway, so I just did like a fanfic generator, and I wanted to record it so I could catch my reaction on camera and probably upload it to my YouTube channel, or not, just watch it. Anyway, so Cara Death was thinking about Dion Yules again. I've already read this first line and it has something funny in it, but these are my OCs, by the way, so yeah. Oh, and it's called Two Femme Uncles, Denial to the Beat. And of course, my pen name is Lovey Pancakes, because you know, you can't not. But if this doesn't get saved, it will always be saved in my heart and on this video. Alright, anyway. Cara Death was thinking about Dion Yules again. Dion was a brave coward. How does that work? That brave was supposed to be for Cara, but anyway. A brave coward with skinny legs and short heads. Cara walked over to the window and reflected on her cloudy surroundings. She always loved the humid with its vast, valid vision. It was a place that encouraged her tendency to feel somber. Okay, and this is kind of like based on Higurashi, kind of, because I've been obsessed with it lately. But yeah, so I made the Seneca Village, and I don't know, it's kind of just in their universe, like an alternate universe of Higurashi. Okay. Then she saw something in the distance, or rather, someone. It was the brave figure of Dion Yules. She gulped. She glanced at her own reflection. She was a beautiful, kind tea drinker with curvy legs and tall heads. Her friend saw her as a homely, hurt, rash. Once, she had even brought a deadly kitten back from the brink of death. Wow, she's so great. But not even a beautiful person who at once brought a deadly kitten back from the brink of death. It's prepared for what Dion had in store today. The rain hovered like a loving bird, making Cara love. Cara grabbed a beautiful cup that had been strewn nearby. She massaged it with her fingers. As Cara stepped outside, Dion came closer. She could see the valid glint in his eye. Dion gazed with the affection of 31 bold wet worm. Wet, he said in hushed tones. I love you, and I want love. Cara looked back, even more love, and still fingered the beautiful cup. Dion, she replied. They looked at each other with depressing feelings, like two fragile, fine ferret crying at a very tomboy festival. I spelled festival wrong. I'm such a dum. Anyway, which had K-pop music playing in the background and two femme uncles denial to the beat. Suddenly, Dion lunged forward and tried to punch Cara in the face. But why? Quickly, Cara grabbed the beautiful cup and brought it onto Dion's skull. Dion's skinny legs trembled as he saw his short head wobble. He looked hate, his emotions raw like bulbous, burnt red. Then he let an agonizing groan and collapsed to the ground. Moments later, Dion Yules was dead. Cara Death went back inside and made her nice. Oh my god.
All jeans, even your favorite Rockstar jeans. Hurry, it's Thursday only at Old Navy and OldNavy.com.
Published this. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Recycle. Compost.
No.
Eat vegan. Eat local. Don't use straws, don't use plastic bags, don't use hairspray,
first of all,
drive a hybrid, drive an electric.
Cara's insane. They were both insane because she was thinking about it. She was like, oh, Dion, let me think about it, like, real quick. And he just went all cuckoo cray. Anyway, yeah, that was weird. Well, I guess it's over. I'll probably watch it. I guess we could go through my... Oh, shoot! It's not what it looks like. I'm just looking at cosplay.
Allow us to be a part of their most important
Oh, see? Innocent. Innocent.
like a friend would. Our non-commissioned
This is my Wattpad. Please follow, up, subscribe. And I'm obsessed with gorillas. So, bye. Love you guys. Whoop whoop. I really have to find an outro.